How to turn off your professional account on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to switch back to a personal account on Android. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device and tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Professional Dashboard, which you'll see right on your profile page just below your bio. After that, tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings for your professional account. At this point, scroll down and look for the Switch to Personal Account option and tap on it. From there, Instagram will show you a confirmation screen, letting you know what you'll lose access to once you switch back. Things like insights, promotions, and the professional dashboard will no longer be available. Following this, tap Confirm Switch to Personal to go ahead with the change. Finally, once confirmed, your account will be switched back to a regular personal account, and the professional dashboard will no longer appear on your profile. That's how you turn off your professional account on Instagram. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.